So here in this class, we are going to learn the use of or an. Or an. Yesterday, in previous class, we have learned that what is the meaning of vowels. What are the vowels? How many vowels are there in English alphabet? How many consonants are there in English alphabet? How many alphabets are there in English? Alphabets. Okay, in English. There are 26 alphabets in English and 5 vowels. As I told you, A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 vowels in English alphabet. After that, yesterday in last class we had learned that there are 21 consonants, just like B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. These are the 21 consonants in English alphabet and 5 vowels. Now here in this class we are going to learn another topic from grammar which is related to that vowel and consonant, which is use of means a or an. It is so simple. When we write or use a, when the word is starting with vowel, it means A, E, I, O, U. Let's look at the board. Elephant, owl,
सर ये करना है क्या?
मैंने अभी लिखने के लिए नहीं बोला है। जो भी अपने माइक म्यूट रखे, अनम्यूट करेगा उस क्लास से रिमूव कर दूंगा। जब मैं बोलूंगा ये लिखिए तब स्टार्ट करेंगे आप। Okay, so look at here. On the board, I have written 5 words. First is and, A-N-T. Second is I-N-K, ink. Third is elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-T, elephant. Owl, U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. So here, first letter of the word is A-E-I-O-U. It means अगर किसी भी वर्ड्स का फर्स्ट लेटर वॉवेल हो A-E-I-O-U, तो उससे पहले हमें क्या लिखना है? And लिखना है। What we use there? And. We use and before a word beginning with a vowel. जिस किसी भी वर्ड की स्टार्टिंग वॉवेल से होती है उससे पहले we use and import and elephant and owl and umbrella, like this way. Okay, it's clear all that we use and before a word beginning with a vowel sound. जिस किसी भी वर्ड की स्टार्टिंग में A-E-I-O-U इनमें से कोई भी लेटर अगर आया हो तो उससे पहले हम we use and. Okay, so look at the board here. Let us take another examples. Apple. After this, A. Iron. Airport. Old man. So look at here. The starting of this word, it is with A. It means with vowel. So use an. After this, A is started with E.
तभी
So use an. कुछ भी नहीं लिखना है किसी को भी. कोई कुछ भी नहीं लिखेगा. मैंने अभी कुछ भी लिखने के लिए नहीं बोला है. So just look at the board and listen to me. Iron. I is there so that we use here an. Airport. A is there, it means this word is beginning with A. So that we use here an. Old man. Old is O is vowel. So that here we use an. Like this way. जहां कहीं भी आपको वर्ड के स्टार्टिंग में अ और ए ई आई ओ यू दिखाई देता है, दैट टाइम यू मस्ट यूज बिफोर दैट एन. ओके, instead of these vowels, if the word is beginning with a consonant, then we use a sound or a. Okay, let's look at the board. Board.
सर लॉकडाउन करना है.
नो, जब तक मैं नहीं बोलता कि ये लिखिए, कुछ भी नहीं लिखना है, बस सुनो. ठीक है? टेबल, चेयर, fan, river, like this. Just look at the board here. I have written 6 words on the board. First is book, and the starting of first word is B, and B is a consonant, so that A should be there. A book. Here also B is there, so a board. Table. T is consonant, so a table. After this, chair. C is also a consonant, so A should be there. A chair, a fan, a river, like this way. Why we use here A or A? Because starting of this word, it is beginning with consonants. Who is making noise there? Unjala, please mute your mic. The words are starting or beginning with consonants, so that we use here a. जिस किसी भी वर्ड की स्टार्टिंग कॉन्सोनेंट से होती है, उससे पहले आपको अ यूज करना है. जिस भी वर्ड की स्टार्टिंग कॉन्सोनेंट से है, उससे पहले आपको अ यूज करना है. वी यूज अ with word or a word beginning with consonant. Okay, and we use an before a word beginning with vowels. Is it clear? Let's write. अभी आप लिखेंगे जो मैं बोर्ड पे लिख रहा हूँ, ठीक है? Now write in your notebook. We use a before a word. अभी आप लिखेंगे नोटबुक में, अभी लिखना स्टार्ट कीजिए जल्दी से। We use a before word beginning with a consonant. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल लिखेंगे हम। फॉर एग्जाम्पल अ बुक, देन अ टेबल, if you want to talk with me, if you want to speak anything, just use English language, okay? Don't speak in Hindi. Aisha, what I am talking, if you want to ask me anything, just use English. Speak in English. I will answer you only if you are talking in English. If you will talk in English, okay? A book, a table, a chair, a fan, a river. Just write this example in your notebook. It is very simple. We use a before a word beginning with a consonant sound. As we learned here, B is consonant, so we use a before this word. Table, T is consonant, it is not vowel, so that we use here a. After this, in this word, it is T, it is consonant, so we use a before this. After this, F is there, F is consonant, so that we use a before this. And after this one, river, R is also a consonant, so that we use here a. It means a book, a table, a chair, a fan, a river, like this way. Now just listen it carefully while writing. Just listen.
सर मेरा हो गया।
Don't say anything. If you want to ask me or tell me, if you want to tell me anything, then just use English language. Speak in English. Okay?
Done sir। Done sir। Done
But I request you all that mute your mics.
sir।
Mute your mic and just show me thumbs up if you have done. Yes. Don't say anything. Don't create disturbance in the class.
Screenshot।
Very good. Don't say anything. Who is there? Shake your mic. Yes.
सारे नोटबुक में नोट करना है क्या? डन सर। सारे नोटबुक में नोट करना है क्या? सर मेरा थोड़ा सा बाकी है। सारे नोटबुक में नोट करना है क्या? क्या हो गया? क्या बोलते थे हिंदी? नीचे दिया। नीचे
And give me 2 minutes of break. Please note down in your notebook.
सर हो गया। डन।
Yes, copy down your notebook and mute your mics. It is very much necessary.
हो गया।
Don't make noise. You are talking there, Aisha. Mute your
Done,
mic.
sir. Done, sir.
Okay, students. Shall we learn papers? Look at the board. After this, we will move towards the use of and. Okay. Here we
Sir,
use
मिटा दो।
word
सर
beginning
मिटा
with
दो।
consonant
सर
sound.
मिटा दो।
We use a word beginning with a
फूल
consonant
मिटा दो।
sound. For example, a table, a chair, a fan, a lever. What I told you, if you want to see me, if you want to ask me anything, just
हो गया
speak
सर।
in English.
सर
अगर आपको कुछ बात करनी है तो मुझसे इंग्लिश में बात करनी है।
प्लीज
समझ में
सर।
आ रहा?
Sir, Kusum, done, sir. Kusum,
डन सर। सर प्लीज सर।
जो हिंदी में बात करेगा, जो हिंदी में बात करेगा उसको मैं कोई जवाब नहीं दूंगा। ठीक है? Show me thumbs up only.
प्लीज सर।
Just show me thumbs up if you have done, if you have understood all this which we learned here. Yes, very good. Now
प्लीज
mute your mic, Aisha. Please mute your mic. Okay. Next, we use and before a word beginning with a vowel. We use and before a word beginning with a vowel sound. As we learned in last class, vowels means some letters, some alphabets produces sound. And these are the five vowels. There are five vowels in English alphabet: A, E, I, O, U. Okay? So we use and before a word beginning with a vowel sound. For example, just look at the board here. I am going to write some examples. And apple. And ice cream. And elephant. And owl. And umbrella.
अरे तो सर वैसा तो वैसा होता है।
Just write these examples in your notebook. Hurry up.
अरे नोट करना है क्या? नहीं आप दिख रहे हैं।
Copy down in your notebook.
कौन सा हाथी आ गया? सर दिख नहीं रहा।
Always clear?
सर आगे का दिख नहीं रहा। सर कैमरे थोड़ा लेफ्ट लीजिए।
All the students can see this, except few of amongst you. So, what are you doing there? All the students are watching you. Okay, so note down in your notebook whatever I have written on board.
Getting disturbance,
So,
sir.
and of sound.
कौन हुआ? सर साउंड आ रहा है। साउंड आ रहा है। सर साउंड डिस्टर्ब। सर साउंड डिस्टर्बिंग। सर साउंड डिस्टर्बिंग। साउंड डिस्टर्बिंग।
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है। सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है और साउंड डिस्टर्ब हो रहा है।
Yes, please mute your mics.
हाँ आगे सर, आगे सर।
Yes. Parents, I request you all please switch off your mic so that it will not create the disturbance in the live class. बच्चे क्या कर रहे हैं, बीच में अपने माइक ऑन कर रहे हैं ना, इसकी वजह से इको साउंड प्रोड्यूस हो रही है, ठीक है? तो इसीलिए हम बोलते हैं कि अपने अपने माइक म्यूट रखिए, ठीक है? So just look at the board here. I am explaining this again.
Yes, sir.
We use and before a word beginning with a vowel sound. We use and before a word beginning with a vowel sound. किसी भी वर्ड की स्टार्टिंग अगर वॉवेल से हुई है, then we use and before that word. Here, like this: an apple, an ice cream, an elephant, an owl, an umbrella.
कर दो क्या?
हाँ।
Is it clear? Show me thumbs up. Show me thumbs up. Is it clear? Whenever a word is there with starting consonant, that time we use a before that word. If the word is beginning with a vowel sound, that time we will use and before that word. It's quite simple. Okay, not too much hard to understand. I hope you all have understood this. Akshit Mahajan, please mute your mic. Okay, students, I hope you all have completed this. Let's take some another examples. Example, just write these examples in your notebook with good handwriting.
Sir, I have a question.
Window,
Sir, I have a question. Sir, you not
window. Okay.
Sir, I have a question.
After this, old man, old book, red ribbon. A1. Ice cream. Angry lion. Wise woman.
Sir, write off the question.
Okay. जस्ट उसके नीचे ही लिख रहा है यूज अ और एन, यही देख रहे हैं हम बच्चों, ठीक है। यूज अ और एन।
An.
Yes. So look at here. This word is W. This word is window, which is starting with W. It is consonant. So Avinash, you will find after this here, old man. O is there.
Sir, I have a question.
Vowel. And
Sir,
old
I
man.
have a question.
Old.
Sir, I have a question. Sir,
Just
I
show me
have a
thumbs up.
question. Sir, I have a question.
Yes.
Which vowel, sir? Which vowel have no vowel sound?
Yes, Shashwat.
Is there any vowel? If it has no vowel sound.
Where? What are you asking, Shashwat?
सर कौन सा ऐसा वॉवल है जिसमें जिसमें वॉवल की साउंड नहीं होती है?
We will discuss it after this. Okay, first of all, we are going through simple topics. Okay, Shashwat.
Okay,
After
sir.
this, we are going to, yes, we are going to learn all those words which
Okay, sir.
are, yes, like this. Just look at here. If suppose R is there, HOUR, the word is H, it is already consonant, but pronunciation is like it is starting with vowel. It means and R. We should write there and R. Like this way. We'll discuss it after this explanation. Okay, after this simple examples. Okay, Shashwat. There are so many words like this. To just complete this, it is old book. O, it is consonant. So an old book. Red ribbon. R is a consonant. So write O. Ice cream. I is there.
Done, sir.
So here an ice cream. And we have right. And white woman. Oh, like this way.
Dancer. Dancer.
Okay.
Dancer. Dancer.
Move your mind.
सर मेरा वार्निंग ये लाइट रह गया था।
Yes, next example. Using hair. Sorry. Hair. Lovely dog. After this, fan. After this, shop. After this, door.
एक ग्रुप पे ही बना के दूसरे पे स्टार्ट करो।
After this, house. Easy. E is there. E is a vowel. So write an easy chair. Lovely doll. L is there. So it is consonant. A lovely doll. After this, fan. F is consonant. So write a fan. C is there. So C is also a consonant. A job. Do. D is there. So D is consonant. So write a. After this, house. H is there. And H is a consonant. So write a. Okay. So it is so simple to remember that we use a before a word beginning with consonant. We use an before a word beginning with vowel. Write all these examples in your notebook with good handwriting.
Done, sir.
Just show me thumbs up. Don't say anything. Yes, very good. Just show me. Swati, Meena, Ishita, Aisha, Riya. Very good. Very good. Okay, students, in Google Classroom, I have sent one assignment. I request all to see that assignment. Do it in your notebook. Solve that worksheet assignment in your book. Create a PDF file.
सर जो आपने कल वो पीडीएफ भेजा था ना गूगल क्लासरूम में वो मैंने पूरा उतार दिया।
उसको आपको क्या करना है? What you will do? You have to make one PDF file and attach in Google Classroom. Okay?
सर मेरे को पता है।
So just look at here. Look at here on your computer screen or mobile screen. If there is an assignment in class 3, go to classwork. If there is English, okay, there is an assignment. Look at here. Look at here. Don't take anything. Who is there? Just look at here. It is an assignment I assign to all the students. Stop presenting your screen. So I have assigned this assignment to all the students who are present in Google Classroom. Okay? Amongst all of you, only 2 students and 3. It means only 5 students have submitted their PDF files. Here. What you will do? You will just click on that. Okay? Here you can see this file. Just open it. Note it down in your notebook. ये आप अपने नोटबुक में सॉल्व करोगे और आपके मोबाइल में यहाँ पे प्लस बटन आएगा अटैच फाइल से, तो वहां पे आपको वो पीडीएफ अटैच करनी है. तो क्या होगा? देन I can see your notebook or solve worksheet here. Just I will open this. Okay, let me check. This is Divyanshi Parihar. Okay, she has submitted here only the worksheet which I have already uploaded. उसने ये किया है. ठीक है, ये मैं यहाँ से जाके ऐसे चेक करूंगा, इस तरह से यहाँ साइन करके आपको रिटर्न कर दूंगा. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से आप क्या करेंगे? लाइक दिस वे you have to create a PDF file of your assignment and just attach it in a Google Classroom wherever the assignment work is given to you. Okay, only after this I will check. Only after this I will check notebooks or whatever you submitted here. Like just look at here. Just look at here. Just see. It is what? फोटो नहीं भेजना है. मैंने यही तो समझा है. आप समझते क्या हो वही पता नहीं चल रहा है मुझे. मैं हिंदी में बात करता हूँ वो भी समझ में नहीं आता, इंग्लिश में एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ वो भी नहीं समझ में. मैंने बताया आपको, मैंने जो आपको काम दिया है